Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're in the fitness industry, creating a website can be a crucial way to reach more people and grow your business. Luckily, WordPress makes it easy to create a website. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of creating a fitness WordPress website. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up WordPress. First, let's get WordPress set up on your domain. If you don't already have a domain, you can easily purchase one from a domain registrar. Next, you'll need to set up WordPress on your domain. This can be done through your web hosting provider. We recommend you consider Kinsta Hosting for your fitness website. Kinsta Hosting is the perfect solution for setting up your WordPress website. With Kinsta, you get fast load times, unmatched uptime, and expert support 24/7. Their infrastructure is built on the Google Cloud platform, providing you with the power and security you need to run your website smoothly. Additionally, Kinsta's managed hosting solution takes care of all the technical details, freeing you up to focus on your content and business. So if you're looking for a reliable and efficient hosting provider, look no further than Kinsta Hosting. To sign up for Kinsta Hosting, please check the description below for the sign up link. Step 2. Installing the Responsive Starter Template plugin. Now that WordPress is set up, let's install the Responsive Starter Template plugin. You can do this by going to the WordPress plugin repository and searching for Responsive Starter Template. Once you have found the plugin, click Install and activate it. Step 3. Importing a starter template. Now that the plugin is installed, let's import a starter template. To import a template, simply go to the Responsive Starter Template section in your WordPress dashboard. Responsive Starter Template has a wide range of pre-designed templates. So take your time and pick one that best fits your needs. Now go to the search bar and search for fitness and select the fitness template. Here you can preview the whole template. Next, click on import button and wait for the template to import. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. The plugin will import all the template elements into your WordPress website, including the color, layout, font, and images. Once done, click on the Launch Site button. And here's how you get your fitness website ready in less than 5 minutes. Step 4. Customizing your website. Once the template has been imported, it's time to start customizing your website. Now, to customize the website, click on Edit with Elementor button at the very top. This will take you to the editing section of the Elementor, where you can change the logo, add your own images, adjust the color scheme to match your brand. You can also add and edit your own pages and posts to showcase your services. With the Responsive Starter Template plugin, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's say I want to change this slide. So I'll click on this slide. Now this will open a panel on my left hand side where I can see REA slider, and there are 3 slides. I'll click on the slide on which I want to make the changes. So let's say I want to make changes on the first slide. Here I get 2 options. I can change the background image of the slide and I can change the content of the slide. So I'll click here and change it to Change Your Life. And it's done. Now I'll go to background and go to choose image. Now I will get 2 options. Either I can use media library or I can go to upload files and use the files which I have downloaded already on my computer. So for this, I am going ahead with this picture. I'll click on the picture and then click on select. And it's done. Now, let's say I want to change this button text view all products. So for that, I'll click on this button. Now on my left, I will see a text panel. I'll go there and add new text. I can also change the color of the button. I can add border here. I can add padding here. And let's say I want to change this latest review text. So I'll click on it and go to title and type new title, and it's done. Similarly, you can change all of this section. You can change all of these photographs over here. And once you are done, click on update button to update the changes you have made so far. With these tools and knowledge, you can create an exceptional website that reflects your unique style. Use your creativity to begin building your ideal website. And don't forget to add your personal touch to make it stand out. And that's all, everyone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.